In this video, we'll go over the symbolic engine enhancements in PTC MathCAD Prime 9. PTC MathCAD Prime 9 continues to focus on core math functionality by enhancing the find function such that an equation or system of equations can be solved symbolically within a solve block. As well as numerically evaluating the find function within a solve block, you can now use it to evaluate a symbolic solution for an equation or a system of equations. You can assign the symbolic solution to either a variable or a function. Assigning the solution to a function is particularly useful since the function is accessible outside the solve block and can be evaluated numerically in the worksheet using the symbolic solution. With this ability, PTC MathCAD Prime 9 continues to expand upon the power of its solving capabilities, adding more breadth to your calculation options and workflows. In PTC MathCAD Prime 9, you will find two new types of symbolic integral function. Elliptic integral functions are useful in many computational problems, including electromagnetism and gravitation. There are 6 elliptic integral functions in PTC MathCAD Prime 9, the complete and incomplete forms for the first, second, and third kind. The logarithmic integral function is a function that can be used for solving certain problems in physics and number theory. And in PTC MathCAD Prime 9, you can insert and use both the logarithmic integral and offset logarithmic integral functions. These new functions can be inserted from the Functions menu, include tooltips and documentation topics to help you use them, and enhance your toolbox and symbolic functionality in PTC MathCAD Prime 9. The PTC MathCAD Symbolic engine is updated every release to include new functionality and enhance existing functionality. Like with existing variable assumptions, you can now make assumptions about the domain of a function in a symbolic expression using the assume symbolic keyword. For example, you can restrict a function so it is a real valued function. All the modifiers that apply to variables also apply to functions. Being able to make assumptions about functions on symbolic expressions is yet another useful update to the symbolic engine in PTC MathCAD Prime 9. PTC MathCAD Prime 9 allows symbolic solving of ordinary differential equations using the solve keyword and setting the modifier as the function's name or as a function with an argument. The functionality includes full support for first-order ODEs and partial support for higher-order ODEs. Specific use cases include the ability to solve a system of ODEs and ODEs with boundary conditions. This addition to the symbolic engine in PTC MathCAD Prime 9 continues to update and enhance the symbolic capabilities of MathCAD Prime. Thank you.